Hello guys, so today we learn about what is diamond core drill. So in this video we also talk about why diamond drill is important in mineral exploration. So this video is very important for exploration geologist. So watch this video till the end to gain a precise knowledge on diamond core drill. Introduction. So diamond drilling is a form of core drilling which uses a rotary drill with a diamond drill bit attached in order to create a precisely measured boreholes in the strata. Diamond drill is mainly used in mineral exploration. As diamond is the hardest naturally occurring material in the world, it is ideal for drilling in hard rock. There are two ways to do a core drilling, conventional and wireline. The main difference is how recover the core sample once the inner tube is full. In conventional drilling or straight line drilling, the entire drill string needs to be pulled out of the boreholes for each drilling cycles. This means that all the drill rods must be removed from the hole and threads must be taken apart and rejoined for each core samples. In wireline core drilling, a pieces of equipment called an overshot is sent down the hole to release and retrieve the inner tube. The overshot and inner tube are then brought up to the surface using a wireline hoist, allowing the rods and core bit to remain in the hole. A new inner tube is then lowered down and locked into the place. The wireline method is more common these days as it is more efficient and safe. So, conventional drilling or straight line drilling is actually old method, and in recent days the wireline core drill is using more common as this method is actually efficient and more safe. So this is in wireline diamond core drill machine. This is the machine and this is the drill head and this is the core sample which is drawn beneath the earth for the estimation of ore deposit. So drill head always consists drill rods which rotates onto the rock surface. So we talk more about this drill head with the help of a sketch of drill rods and drill heads. So as you can see, this is the drill head. This is the drill head. So this portion is this one, which is known as drill heads. So this is the rotary house. So rotary house always using for rotation of drill rods. This is the drill rods. As I said in previous slide that wireline drill machine always consist double tube core barrels. So this is the inner tube which is attached with the overshot, and this is the outer tube. See the arrow button for detailed knowledge. See, this is the overshot. This is the overshot which is using for pulled out of inner tube. So inner tube is always attached with this overshot, and this is the outer tube. So the important things keep in mind that core bit always attached with the outer tube. So outer tube is rotates with the help of drill head, while inner tube is remain constant. So when core bit is rotates into the rock surface, the core sample is inserted into the inner tube, and with the help of a wireline host, the inner tube is pulled out onto the surface, and the core is drawn from the inner tube, and again new tube is inserted into the outer tube. So this process is repeated again and again. So this is all about drill rig or drill heads. So the key technology of the diamond drill is the diamond bit itself. It is composed of industrial diamonds set into a soft metallic matrix. Diamonds are scattered throughout the matrix. The bit is mounted onto a core barrel which is attached to the drill string, which is connected to a rotary drill rig. Drilling mud is injected into the drill pipe so as to wash out the rock cuttings produced by the bit and also to reduce the heat produced due to the friction, which causes less wear and tear of the bits. A larger diameter core is the most preferred and it is the most expensive. The most common diameter sizes of core are NQ and CST76. So this is the core bit. So the diamond core drill is actually derived from this diamond impregnated core bit, and this is the core barrel. So diamond bit is always attached with a core barrel, and core barrel is attached into the outer tube. This is the outer tube, and the ore shot is connected with the inner tube. One more thing is that drilling mud is injected into the drill pipe so as to wash out the rock cuttings produced by the bit and also reduce the heat production. So this is the water sieve. So water sieve is always used for injected the mud into the drill hole to reduce the heat produced by the friction of drill bits, and also for washing out of core chips or cutting that can be create the problem for rotating drill rods. Why diamond drill is important? So compared to other exploration techniques, diamond drill provides the exploration geologist with the most concrete and accurate data on an economic evolution of a block area. Diamond drilling is the most important drill method used in mineral exploration, and it is a very expensive method for collection of information on subsurface data. Why? With drawing a small diameter core of rock from the ore body, geologists can analyze that by chemical assessment and conduct petrologic, structural, and mineralogical studies of the rock. So, drilling is an important procedure in mineral exploration to ascertain the subsurface configuration of the ore body, to bring out three-dimensional model of the ore deposit, to know the reserve of blocks for ultimate exploitation, and arrive at the grade of deposits. So, as you can see, this is the different boreholes number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, the black color is actually denoting the intersection point of ore body. So this is the upper intersections, and this is the lower intersection of ore body in the boreholes. As you can see in this the borehole number 4 also. This is the upper intersection, and this is the lower intersection of ore body. So when we connect these intersection points, the structures of ore body is looking like in this shape. So boreholes is actually bring out three-dimensional model of the ore deposits, and by this exploration we can find a grade of the deposit actually.
To know the latest updates on geotourism and modern geotechniques, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.